Hello, welcome to your pre-work for Module 5, which is all about grading. In order to be prepared to do your Module 5 activities, you'll need some student work to grade. So in order to do this, let's go back to your sandbox. We already practiced creating graded items back in Module 2B, discussions, assignments, and assessments. Let's create a folder for one of our colleagues, and we're going to have them be a student. So I went ahead and used this little plus sign to make a folder and titled it with my teacher friend's name, who's going to help me out. And so I've already found the discussion, the assignment, and the assessment that I'm going to have my teacher friend do. I can either just easily drag those here. Gotta get it just right. There we go. Or if I didn't want to mess with my sandbox like that, what I could have done was save to resources, saved it in my course working folder, and then what I could do is import from resources and find that exact exit ticket. Either way, what you want to do is make sure you've now enabled grading for each of the items you're going to have them test. And I'm just going to put that back so I don't forget that that goes there. Okay, so for the discussion, hit edit on the gear, and then make sure enable grading is turned on. Give a due date of the 25th, because that's when it's going to turn on. I'm going to go ahead and just mark it for completion. You may have this set up with self-paced courses, and you need to make sure that a new grading category is possible. If you don't have grading categories, you should have the category already filled in. We've populated that for you, so you should just be able to select it and then save changes. Now you want to do the same thing with your assignment. Make sure that you set the due date for August 25th. Completion is the category. Self-paced sandbox courses is the period. And of course, you should have directions here. And then for your exit ticket, especially if you copied it, you need to make sure that you enable submissions. And so I want to make sure that the 25th is my deadline. Completion, self-paced, save changes. Now, one of the interesting things about the exit ticket is that it will auto grade depending on which questions you already have set up. So question types like multiple choice, true, false, matching, ordering, fill in the blank for all of these will auto grade, for example. So you might want to think about adding short answer essay, audio, video, file upload, and even highlight image. You may want to add one of those so that you can actually practice doing a manual grade. So now that I have my folder set up, I want to make sure that my test teacher has been added. Technically, I think this is already my teacher. Yep. So I know I already have my student added to my course. And so what I want to do is copy this access code just in case. And I have an email draft that you can use. So what you can do is insert the course name and the access code here that I copied from the previous. The reason I want to add the course name is because it'll be a laundry list. I also can include the hyperlink to the folder where their name is, and then copy and paste this email and send it to them. They should let you know once they're done and if they have any feedback. Good luck. Save it for Module 5.